In this video, I am going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently on phone. So first of all, just go and open your YouTube account and make sure you're logged in into an account. So I'll pass this time. As you can see, this is my YouTube account and I do have, if I scroll down here, I have some suggestion shorts. If I go and click on the three dots at the top right of the shorts option, as you can see, you'll be able to click on show fewer shorts. This will let you just see some fewer shorts, but if I go as example, I don't know, I can just go and try to quit and then re-enter again as example. Let's just see if I will get some shorts again. So if I scroll down again, I get some shorts. If I go and click on view fewer shorts as example, I can go, let's just say again quit, just go and enter again. If I scroll down, I'll probably find shorts again, as you can see. So how can you disable them permanently? So of course you'll need to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Then you'll have to click on the settings at the top right corner. Once you do so, you should find yourself right here in this settings. So the first thing that I'm going to do is dark theme so I don't burn my eyes. Okay, it doesn't switch, but it's fine. So basically from here, so here just go and click on manage all history. Once you do so, we'll just wait for this internet load. Yeah, so here we are. Now, what we'll have to do, you can go as an example and click on save in your YouTube history. Once you do so, you can go and turn off your YouTube history. And yeah, pause it. As you can see, settings is off. Click on Gotta. And as an example, once you turn off your YouTube history, you'll need also to clear your YouTube history. So let me just go and see. Yeah, I'm just going to include also the YouTube I watched. Oh, no, nothing. So this will turn it on. I don't want to turn it on. So yeah, manage history from here. And of course, I will need also to delete it. So delete all time. Click on delete and got it. Now, yeah, it's deleted. I can just go back again, go back. And what I'll need to do now is just simply quit YouTube again. Just and reopen that tube. And now, as an example, I find no shorts. So no shorts are available in my feed anymore. So I disabled them permanently. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.